Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to transition from another payroll provider to Gusto. So are you switching to Gusto from another payroll provider? Here's how to make the move smooth and simple. Step 1, sign up and set up your account. So you want to start by creating your account on gusto.com. During onboarding, Gusto will ask for your company detail, employee information, and payroll history. So go ahead and provide those. And step 2 is to gather your previous payroll records. So collect your last payroll reports, tax filings, and employee pay stubs. This information helps ensure accurate year-to-date totals in Gusto. Step 3, input prior payroll details. Now during setup, Gusto will prompt you to enter your past payrolls for the year. You can also upload reports, and Gusto teams can help to transfer the data. Step 4, verify tax information. Now you want to double check your federal EIN, your state tax IDs, and any local tax accounts. Accurate tax information allows Gusto to file taxes on your behalf without any issues. Step 5, choose your first Gusto payroll run. Now once setup is complete, you want to schedule your first payroll run using Gusto. From there, Gusto will handle payments, tax withholdings, and filings. And that's it. You're now ready to start running payroll through Gusto with everything correctly transitioned. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.